Hello, greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Morcillon. I wanted to come and wasn't really too motivated, but I thought I'd come anyway to make this video today. To wish you a good day. Thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for your donations. If you want a private session, you can send me an email, and you're welcome to follow me on Instagram. I share my paintings there. For a change, I thought I pull out some cards from Osho. It's a tarot deck. Osho was a master from India who lived a little bit in California and in Marbella and many other places. He was very liberal in his teaching. He was a guru. But he's a pretty fun philosopher, and so the situation is conditioning. It's about being free from conditioning. It's about this lion that grew up with sheep, and now he believes he's a sheep, but he's a lion. So it's about being free from the conditioning of the sheep mentality and returning to our strengths and empowerment. What goes around the situation is the rebel. It's the emperor. It's about breaking the chain that keep us back, and holding the light of truth. What we see before us is quite wonderful. It is adventure. It's a little child that wanders into the wood in the middle of the night. So it's about seeking out adventure, to be fearless in this, without putting ourselves in danger, but we see the adventure that will come to unfold before us. In the past, the subconscious is slowing down. We learn to slow down because we were really too agitated. We need to pause. We need to calm. We need to rest. And as a result of that, we've moved into flowering. There is this cause and effect, the unfoldment of life. What's coming up in the near future is abundance. It's quite wonderful. It is abundance. It is resources. It is connection. It is all that those things we seek are coming. Our strength within the situation is politics. It's about dropping the mask, not ignoring the darker part of ourselves. For we have this ignorant part of ourselves, and we do not want to be fake. We want to be authentic. So it's the idea of politicians that are presenting this very happy face, and there is this snake behind. So always look for the back door when you see what people are really like. But it's about dropping the mask. For we all have this part of us that wants to present a part of us and wants to hide another. So it's about being integrated within to learn the integration, accepting the lower part of ourselves, to be integrated and to be whole and to be complete. What comes to us from the outside world is turning in. It's about the world is forcing ourselves to turn inside to the ocean of peace, regardless of all the shadows and all the darkness that can be still projected outside through the medias and so on. What we have in our hopes and fear, in our emotion, is the compromise. It's sometimes we have to make certain compromise so that we can find the peace. In every negotiation, there has to be a compromise. It's like the win-win situation, but every party. So the ego has to make certain compromise for the soul to find its empowerment, and the outcome will be we are the world, a unified world, a unified community. There is this. We're moving very close to the great shift of consciousness that we've been waiting for so long. And so I hope this reading was resonated with you, and so be ready for tuning in. For you are the world. We are the world. The whole planet was created for us. The sun was created for us. And this whole program was actually everything. The whole scenario of life was actually pre-planned before we even came into existence. Everything we chose, those certain souls decided, well, we're going to play the role of the dark. Others said we'll play the role of the light. Even the Christ pre-planned this crucifixion before he even came in. He wasn't like a victim of anything. It was a pre-planned situation for this dark matrix is actually the experience of darkness is actually an opportunity to realize the glorious light of creation. The bondage of fears are an opportunity to discover the freedom of love. So it is very much a wanted situation, although the dark matrix will continue to feed on fear. But all those who are controlling this matrix, they're no longer supported by the dark extraterrestrials, which, because they're very busy up there, they've been captured and there is no escape for them. So it's like the ground darker souls are still working through the propaganda and the media to enslave humanity, while the ascending community is doing all they can to free humanity with the assistance of the galactics and the angels, and all of those realms are coming closer. We can command all those ships. We can command the angels to do whatever when we to work with us for the highest good of all. When we work for the highest good of all, we are in the command of so much more power. for the drama is almost over. For the darkness does not want, they have to oppose the light, because the light will reveal the corruption, will reveal the darkness, will reveal the cupidity, the avidity, the lies, and so they're doing all they can. For it's important to realize that every failure there is a lesson within every failure within the past. So it's good to forgive ourselves and to learn the lesson. And so for we're learning more from our failures than from our success, although we do enjoy the success. And for the ego needs to fill the void, and so often wants to fill it up with drama, but we want to fill this void. The void, life is a void, and so we want to fill the void with our dreams, with our deep desires, with our truths. For that is really what we came here to discover. It's our destiny to explore and to manifest that. For we all have different dreams. For an alpinist, it's to climb a mountain. To a fireman, it's to extinguish fires. To an explorer, it's to explore. For we all have different dreams, but it's about finding this manifestation for the destiny. The spirit and souls are already within the place of fulfillment. They want to lead us there. So it's about continuing to explore the truth and think big, to envision a big, because our truth is connected to the truth of the Creator, and the truth of the Creator is infinitely big. It's huge, it's humongous. For there's going to be a great deal of revelation that will be coming, that will shake the world. Donald Trump wanted to reveal the existence of positive and negative extraterrestrials, but the Federation told him not to do that, because not to create mass hysteria. Because here I'm talking about this openly, but it's on a very small, when you're talking about to the mass population of humanity, they need to be prepared for what is to come. And so... So this is what I wanted to talk about today. Just wanted to come and say hello. I'm going to pull a few more cards and sing a song, and pull one card from the Archangel. And I'm going to go one. It's kind of a nice day. I'm going to go walk around. The highest wisdom is to the thinker. It's continue to elevate your thoughts. What you need to understand is the happy circumstances. It's allowing the blessings, the miracle, the unexpected to happen. What you need to do is to be a step ahead. It's to know to get received from the intuition. So you already have a few. You don't know everything, but you have a few. Your intuition can tell you so much already. And the outcome is a blessing, is a is a blessing. It's a miracle. It's something so wonderful that is beyond. It's about accepting that we deserve and can receive the blessings of heaven, which is sometimes it's long in coming, but it comes in the right time. It will come at the right time, and it will create a great shift. So I'm going to finish with a song. It's a song I pulled absolutely at random, because I didn't know what to sing. So it goes like this. What a difference a day makes. 24 little hours brought the sun and the flowers where there used to be rain. My yesterday was blue, dear. Today I'm part of you, dear. My lonely nights are through, dear, since you said you were mine. Lord, what a difference a day makes. There's a rainbow before me. Skies above can't be stormy, since that moment of bliss, that thrilling kiss. It's heaven when you find romance on your menu. What a difference a day makes, and the difference is you. And all the song, and I'm gonna pull one more card. Let's see what the Archangel. One like to connect to the Archangels. They're wonderful beings of light. They are so powerful, so enlightened. Then they're willing to help. The card of the day, the Magician, is like, wow, the great magic is about to happen. It's the Archangel Raziel that brings the message of magic and mystery and unfoldment. Ask what you expect of life. Like by magic, what you wish appears. beginning crowned by success. So anything is possible. Just ask and you shall receive. It's the manifestation accelerated. Be open to miracles. A very important date for that. From the oracle seems to so continue to be open and be ready for the shift, for these great blessings. I thank you very much. Wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Adonai.